Good morning, students. Today we will discuss some entries of discount. We have already studied the concept of discount. Discount refers to the concession given by the seller to the buyer. So, discount. We all know that there are two types of discounts, that is trade discount and cash discount. Trade discount is allowed by the wholesaler or the manufacturer to the retailer on the least price of the goods. So it is allowed or it is fixed on the listed price of goods, that is catalog price of goods. Okay. It is normally allowed to the customers for large purchases, that is if the customer purchases the goods on large quantities, this discount is allowed. Okay. This discount, that is trade discount, is allowed on cash transactions as well as credit transactions. And now cash discount. Cash discount is allowed by the seller to the customer for the prompt or timely payment made. This is the motivation given to them for making timely payment. In the accounts, trade discount is not recorded separately. It means no separate account is maintained for trade discount. It is deducted from the list price only. In case of cash discount, a separate account is maintained while passing the journal entry. Okay? पुन्हा एकदा सांगते, ट्रेड डिस्काउंट हा होलसेलर किंवा मॅन्युफॅक्चरर अलाउड करतो कस्टमरला. हा लिस्ट प्राइसवर असतो, फिक्स पर्सेंटेजनी दिलेला, आणि हा लार्ज क्वांटिटीनी परचेस करण्यासाठी दिला जातो नॉर्मली. ट्रेड डिस्काउंट इज नॉट सेपरेटली रेकॉर्डेड, म्हणजे सेपरेट अकाउंट मेंटेन केला जात नाही ट्रेड डिस्काउंटसाठी. कॅश डिस्काउंटसाठी सेपरेट अकाउंट मेंटेन केला जातो. कॅश डिस्काउंट हा टाइमली किंवा अर्ली पेमेंट करावं, प्रॉम्प्ट पेमेंट करावं कस्टमरनी, याच्यासाठी मोटिवेट करण्यासाठी दिला जातो. ओके. नाउ वी विल पास सम एंट्रीज ऑफ डिस्काउंट. या एंट्रीज मध्ये काही ठिकाणी ट्रेड डिस्काउंट आहे, काही ठिकाणी कॅश डिस्काउंट आहे. समटाइम्स बोथ डिस्काउंट्स आर अलाउड टू द कस्टमर, ट्रेड डिस्काउंट अँड कॅश डिस्काउंट. त्या टाइपचे पण एंट्रीज आपण आज बघणार आहोत. ओके. लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट एंट्री, sold goods to Rahul rupees 10,000 at 10% trade discount. Here trade discount is given, so separate discount account will not be maintained in this transaction. So two accounts will be involved. We know which two accounts are involved in this transaction. One is Rahul's account and second is sales account. This is a credit transaction because party's name is given. For cash words are not there in the sentence, and this is the entry of sale. So two accounts will be maintained, Rahul's account and sales account. Here Rahul's account is personal account and sales account is nominal account. Okay. We are selling goods to Rahul, means Rahul is the receiver. So Rahul's account is debited. Sales account is our income. It is a nominal account, and rule says that, the rule of nominal account says that debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So sales account will be credited. And now amount. When there is trade discount given in the transaction, we have to deduct the trade discount from the list price. This is the list price 10,000. 10% of 10,000 will be 1,000. Okay. Percentage I hope सगळ्यांना काढता येतात. 10,000 चं एक झिरो कॅन्सल करून टाकलं की 10% अमाउंट येते, which is 1,000. We will deduct 1,000 trade discount from 10,000 and the amount of sale will be 9,000. So the amount of this entry will be 9,000. Okay. So Rahul's account will be debited, by rupees 9,000 and sales account will be credited by rupees 9,000. So the journal entry will be Rahul's account debit 9,000 to sales account 9,000. Understood? You have to pass the journal entries afterwards for these all entries. Now the second transaction, cash sales rupees 4,000 at 5% cash discount. See, in this transaction cash discount is given, and when we have discussed this trade discount as cash discount, I told you that we will maintain a separate account for cash discount, because a separate account is maintained and mentioned in the entry for cash discount. Okay, so here this is a cash transaction, as it is given cash sales means goods sold for cash. So three accounts will be involved here. First account will be cash account, second account will be sales account. Okay, and as cash discount is given here, third account we will maintain, it will be discount account. So three accounts will be maintained in this transaction. Understood? ज्या वेळेला कॅश डिस्काउंट दिला असेल त्यावेळेला आपल्याला सेपरेट अकाउंट मेंटेन करायचं आहे, आणि ज्या वेळेला ट्रेड डिस्काउंट दिलेला असेल त्यावेळेला सेपरेट अकाउंट मेंटेन करायचा नाही. ओनली वी हॅव टू डिडक्ट द ट्रेड डिस्काउंट फ्रॉम द लिस्ट प्राइस और कॅटलॉग प्राइस. ओके, हियर कॅश अकाउंट इज रियल अकाउंट, it is our asset. Sales account is nominal account, and discount account is also nominal account. These three accounts are involved in this transaction. When we sell goods worth rupees 4,000, we receive cash. So here cash comes in, and rule says that debit what comes in. Sales account is nominal account, it is our income, and rule says that credit all incomes and gains. So sales account will be credited. And now discount account, we have sold goods worth rupees 4,000, but we are receiving cash after deducting 5% cash discount because of immediate payment. Okay, so we are receiving the amount less, 5% of 4,000. It is easy to calculate. 10% will be, I am giving only an idea, 10% will be rupees 400, half of 10% will be 5%, so 200 will be the discount. We are getting 200 rupees less amount from the customer. Okay, so this discount is our loss. And rule of nominal account says that debit all expenses and losses, so discount account will be debited. Okay, so the amount of discount will be 200. We are receiving cash after deducting 200 from 4,000, so we are receiving cash worth rupees 3,800. Okay, and sales account is of total rupees 4,000. 4,000 रुपयाचा सेल झालेला आहे, त्यापैकी 3,800 we are receiving in cash, and discount allowed to the customer is rupees 200. So this entry will be cash account debit 3,800, discount account debit 200, to sales account 4,000. This will be the entry we will pass in our journal. Okay, now the next entry, received from Rahul rupees 8,700 in full settlement. This is the entry. See, in the first entry we have sold goods to Rahul worth rupees 10,000 at 10% trade discount. After deducting 10%, we have sold goods to Rahul worth rupees 9,000. म्हणजे राहुल आणि आपण यांच्यामधलं ट्रान्झॅक्शन 9,000 रुपीजचं होतं. आणि आता आपल्याला त्यांनी सांगितलंय, आपण ही एंट्री शिकलेलो आहोत याच्यापूर्वी, received from Rahul rupees 8,700 in full settlement. Means instead of paying rupees 9,000, he has paid rupees 8,700 in full settlement. Means discount allowed to Rahul is rupees 300. Again, this is cash discount. Okay, so here three accounts will be involved in this transaction. As we are receiving cash, one account will be cash account. We are receiving cash from Rahul, so second account will be Rahul's account. And third account will be discount account, because again while making the payment we are allowing him cash discount of rupees 300. Cash account is real account. Rahul's account is personal account and discount account is nominal account. So for deciding debit and credit in this transaction, we have to use all the rules, that is 3 rules of personal account, real account and nominal account. Here, we are receiving cash from Rahul, means cash comes into the business. And rule of real account says that debit what comes in. So this account will be debited. We are receiving cash rupees 8,700. So this account will be debited for rupees 8,700. Now Rahul's account. Rahul's account is personal account and Rahul is the giver. So rule says that credit the giver. Okay. By crediting Rahul's account, we are cancelling his account of rupees 9,000 because he has made full settlement by paying rupees 8,700. Now discount account is nominal account and we are allowing 300 rupees cash discount to Rahul. This is our loss because we are receiving less amount. So this is our loss. And rule says that debit all expenses and losses. So discount account will be debited in this transaction for the amount of discount, which is rupees 300. So what will be the journal entry? See, cash account debit rupees 8,700, discount account debit rupees 300, to Rahul's account rupees 9,000. This will be the entry in the journal. Okay. Now next transaction. Purchase goods from Rajesh rupees 5,000 at 5% rate discount. Purchase goods from Rajesh. This is a credit transaction because party's name is given, entry is of purchase and for cash words are not given in this sentence. Okay. So this is a credit transaction. We are purchasing goods from Rahul. So one account will be purchases account. And second account will be Rajesh account. As this is a credit transaction, we have to mention party's account here. And as they are given us, that is the trade discount is allowed, we will not mention separate account in the entry. Okay. So purchases account is nominal account. It is our expense as we are spending money in future. Rajesh account is personal account and we are purchasing goods from Rajesh, means Rajesh is the giver. Rule of nominal account says that debit all expenses and losses. So we will debit purchases account. And rule of personal account says that credit the giver. So we will credit Rajesh account. And now the amount. The entry of the amount of this entry will be 5,000 minus 5% rate discount. 5% of 5,000 will be 250. We will deduct 250 from 5,000. Then the amount will be 4,750 for this entry. So the journal entry will be purchases account debit 4,750 to Rajesh account 4,750. Okay. Now let's discuss some more transactions. I will write the transaction here. Fifth transaction. We have purchased goods from Rajesh at trade discount. Now next entry will be goods purchased rupees 6,000 for cash at 3% cash discount. Okay. See here, goods purchase rupees 6,000 for cash. So this is a cash transaction. Okay. And they have allowed 3% cash discount on this price. Okay. So as there is cash discount given in this sentence, discount account will be separately opened. So there will be 3 accounts involved in this transaction. One account will be purchases account. Second account will be cash account. And third account will be discount account. Purchases account is nominal account. It is our expense. Cash account is real account. It is our asset. And when we purchase goods, cash goes out. So here cash is going out. Discount account is nominal account. Here we are purchasing goods for rupees 6,000 and they are allowing us 3% cash discount, means 3% of 6,000. While calculating 3%, 60%, दोन zeros cancel केल्यानंतर येणारी amount ही 1% amount असते. So 60 rupees is 1% into 3 will be 3%. Okay. So it will be 180 rupees. Means when we are purchasing goods for rupees 6,000, we are giving them less amount after deducting rupees 180. Understood? So here this discount is our gain. As we have to pay less amount because of this discount is our gain. Now, the rule of nominal account says that debit all expenses and losses. So purchases account will be debited. As cash goes out, real accounts rule says that credit what goes out. So cash account will be credited. Okay. And now discount account. Rule of nominal account says that debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So discount account will be credited. Okay. Now amount. Discount will be 180. Okay. Purchases is of 6,000. And cash goes out will be 5,820. So the journal entry will be purchases account debit 6,000, to cash account 5,820, to discount account 180. Okay, being the goods purchased for cash. This will be the journal entry. Now the next transaction. See this entry now. Goods purchased from Amit rupees 5,000 at 5% cash discount on credit. We have purchased goods from Amit worth rupees 5,000. They have given on credit. This is a credit transaction. They have allowed us 5% cash discount. याचा अर्थ आहे त्यांनी 5% cash discount आपल्याला सांगितलेला आहे. पण as it is a credit transaction, आपल्याला कॅश डिस्काउंट अलाउड होणार नाही. बिकॉज कॅश डिस्काउंट हा फक्त आणि फक्त प्रॉम्प्ट पेमेंट और अर्ली पेमेंट साठी अलाउड होतो असं आपण बघितलंय. बरोबर आहे. सो इथे 5% कॅश डिस्काउंट दिलेला असेल तरी आपण डिस्काउंट कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं नाहीये, कारण आपल्याला हा डिस्काउंट मिळणार नाहीये बिकॉज वी हॅव परचेस फ्रॉम अमित द गुड्स ऑन क्रेडिट. वी आर नॉट मेकिंग पेमेंट ऑफ गुड्स. ओके. सो 2 अकाउंट्स विल बी इन्वॉल्व्ड हियर. परचेसेस अकाउंट and Amit's account. Purchases account nominal account, Amit's account personal account. Purchases is expenses and rule says that debit all expenses and losses. Amit's account is personal account. The rule says that debit the receiver, credit the giver. We are purchasing goods from Amit, so Amit is the giver. So rule says that credit the giver. And the amount will be rupees 5,000 because they are not giving us 5% cash discount because we are not making the payment promptly. We are keeping it as credit. This is a credit transaction for us. Okay. So the journal entry will be purchases account debit 5,000 to Amit's account 5,000 being the goods purchased on credit. Okay. Now next transaction, 7th transaction. Sold goods rupees 10,000 to Meghana at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. I have told you that sometimes both discounts are allowed to the customers. In this transaction, we have given Meghana 10% trade discount for the original amount, that is catalog price, and 5% cash discount if she makes the payment immediately. Now here, as forecash words are not given, we will assume that this is the credit transaction. So we will not allow 5% cash discount to Meghana as she is not making the payment immediately. Okay. So here we will calculate only trade discount even though 5% cash discount is given in this transaction. Understood? Now, sold goods rupees 10,000 to Meghana. Two accounts will be involved here. Meghana's account and sales account. Meghana's account is personal account and sales account is nominal account. We are selling goods to Meghana. So Meghana is the receiver and rule says that debit the receiver. Sales account is a nominal account. Rule of nominal account. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Sales is our income, so we will credit sales account. And now the amount. We will calculate the amount after deducting only the trade discount from rupees 10,000. 10% of 10,000 will be 1,000. After deducting 1,000, we will get 9,000. So the amount will be 9,000 to this entry. So the journal entry will be Meghana's account debit 9,000 to sales account 9,000. Okay. Now the next entry. Sold goods rupees 25,000 at 10% TD and 2% CD. TD means trade discount, CD means cash discount. Here both the discounts are allowed to the customer, and as party's name is not given, this is the cash transaction. Okay. So we will allow both the discounts. I will show the working here. Original price, that is lease price, is equal to 25,000. First we will deduct trade discount, that is 10% TD from this amount. 10% of 25,000. 10% of 25,000 will be 2,500. Otherwise, or we will also can take 20%. We will take some more discount here. Let's see 5%. So 20%. Okay. 20% of 25,000. I told you how to calculate 10%. 10% amount into 2 means 20%. 10% will be 2,500. So 20% will be obviously 5,000. So we will deduct 5,000 trade discount from this amount and amount will be 20,000. कॅश आणि क्रेडिट कोणत्याही ट्रान्झॅक्शन मध्ये 20,000 रुपीज ना ते गुड्स सोल्ड केले जातील आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग ट्रेड डिस्काउंट. पण इथे कॅश डिस्काउंट पण अलाउ केलेला आहे बिकॉज दिस इज अ कॅश ट्रान्झॅक्शन. सो वी हॅव टू डिडक्ट कॅश डिस्काउंट ऑल्सो. सो लेस 5% कॅश डिस्काउंट. We will deduct cash discount from 20,000 and we will calculate cash discount on this amount and not this on this amount. Understood? So 5% 20,000चे 5% आपल्याला काढायचे आहेत. 25,000वर कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं नाहीये हे लक्षात ठेवा. 20,000च्या 5%. 10% is 2,000. So 5% will be 1,000. So we will deduct 1,000 here and the amount will be 19,000. Okay. Now the entry. As cash discount is given here, there will be 3 accounts involved. First account will be as we are selling goods, cash account. We are getting cash. Okay. One account is sales account and other account will be discount account. Cash account is real account. Sales account is nominal account and discount account is also nominal account. Okay. We are selling goods, so cash comes into the business. Cash comes in, so cash account will be debited. Sales nominal account, it is our income. Rule says that credit all gains and incomes. And discount account, it is also nominal account. As we are selling goods and getting amount, we are getting amount after deducting cash discount. So this discount is our loss. And rule says that debit all expenses and losses. So discount account will be debited. Okay. Now amount. एंट्रीला अमाउंट देताना ओरिजिनल प्राइस, ट्रेड डिस्काउंट आणि ट्रेड ह्या दोन ज्या गोष्टी आहेत त्या आपल्याला स्किप करायच्या आहेत. आपल्याला या 3 अमाउंट ज्या आहेत त्या एंट्रीला द्यायच्या आहेत. ओके. सो डिस्काउंट 1000 आहे. वी विल मेंशन ओनली कॅश डिस्काउंट इन द एंट्री. आपण हे बघितलंय ट्रेड डिस्काउंट वेगळा सेपरेटली मेंशन केला जात नाही एंट्री मध्ये. सो डिस्काउंट 1000 असणार आहे. ओके. कॅश is coming in after deducting cash discount, that is 19,000. So cash comes in 19,000 and after deducting discount, original amount before deducting discount is 20,000. So 20,000. Sale is of 20,000 but we are getting cash 19,000. So we are in loss of rupees 1,000, that is discount. Understood? So entry कशी असेल बघा. Journal entry. Cash account debit 19,000, discount account debit 1,000, to sales account 20,000. Okay, being the goods sold at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. Now next entry, see the entry. Purchase goods rupees 15,000 from Nikita at 10% TD and 4% CD for cash. Even though party's name is given in this transaction, we are purchasing goods for cash. So this is a cash transaction. So both the accounts will be, both the discounts will be allowed to Nikita. Trade discount as well as cash discount. Okay. So first we will calculate discount. Original amount is 15,000 less 10% TD. 10% of 15,000 will be 1,500. So the value will be 13,500. Then we will deduct less 4% cash discount. 4% cash discount. See, after cancelling 2 zeros, 1% will be 135. Okay. So 135 will be 1% into 4. 540. The discount will be 540. Okay. So 540 we will deduct from this amount. So the final amount will be 12,960. Okay. Now the entry. 3 accounts will be involved. Purchases account. Then as this is a cash transaction, cash account. And as cash discount is given, discount account. Okay. Purchases account is nominal account. It is our expenses and rule says that, I will write here, rule says that debit all expenses and losses. Okay, now cash account, it is real account, cash goes out, so it will be credited because credit what goes out. Now the discount account, discount account is nominal account. We are purchasing goods from Nikita and she is allowing us 4% cash discount, so this discount will be our gain. लक्षात ठेवा, आपण ज्या वेळेला कोणती गोष्ट परचेस करतो त्यावेळेला जर आपल्याला डिस्काउंट मिळाला तर वी हॅव टू पे द लेस अमाउंट, सो दिस डिस्काउंट विल बी अवर गेन. आणि ज्या वेळेला आपण सेल करतो एखादी गोष्ट त्यावेळेला आपल्याला कस्टमरला डिस्काउंट द्यायला लागला तर वी आर गेटिंग लेस अमाउंट फ्रॉम कस्टमर, सो दॅट डिस्काउंट विल बी अवर लॉस. दिस डिस्काउंट विल बी अवर गेन. सो rules, nominal accounts rule says that credit all gains and income, so discount account will be credited. Okay, now amounts. या दोन अमाउंट ज्या आहेत पहिल्या त्या आपल्याला कॅन्सल करायच्या आहेत, त्या आपल्याला घ्यायच्या नाहीयेत. आपल्याला या तीन अमाउंट्स घ्यायच्या आहेत. ऑब्वियसली डिस्काउंटची अमाउंट 540 असणार आहे बघा. ओके, द जर्नल एंट्री विल बी परचेसेस अकाउंट डेबिट 13,500 टू कॅश अकाउंट 12,960 cash is going out to discount account 540. ओके, अशा पद्धतीने ही एंट्री होईल. परचेसेस होतोय 13,500 रुपयांचा, कॅश बाहेर जाते 12,960 आणि डिस्काउंट अलाव होतोय 540. अशी जर्नल एंट्री असणार आहे जर्नल मध्ये. कॅश अकाउंट परचेसेस अकाउंट डेबिट 13,500 टू कॅश अकाउंट 12,960 टू डिस्काउंट अकाउंट 540. ओके, नाउ द लास्ट, today's last entry. Purchase goods rupees 40,000 from Rekha at 10% trade discount and 5% cash discount. Half payment made in cash. See, this is an interesting transaction. We are purchasing goods from Rekha worth rupees 40,000. So 40,000 is the list price. We are allowing 10% trade discount to Rekha, so less 10% TD 4,000. We will deduct 4,000, so it will be 36,000. Okay. Rekha is allowing us 5% cash discount also as we are purchasing goods from Rekha. But if cash is paid, then only the cash discount is allowed. And here half payment is made in cash, means we are purchasing goods for rupees 40,000. After deducting discount, the goods were rupees 36,000 and we are making half payment immediately. Understood? म्हणजे 40,000 चे गुड्स परचेस केलेले आहेत, त्याच्यात 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट अलाउ झालेला आहे. आपण कॅश पेड केली नाही लगेच तरी, म्हणजे क्रेडिट ट्रान्झॅक्शन असेल तरी सुद्धा हा डिस्काउंट अलाउड होणारच आहे. तो डिस्काउंट मायनस केल्यानंतर 36,000 चे ट्रान्झॅक्शन होतं आणि या 36,000 पैकी हाफ ऑफ द अमाउंट, हाफ मीन्स 50% कॅशनी पेमेंट केलंय आणि उरलेली क्रेडिटवर ठेवलेली आहे, कॅश आणि क्रेडिट. ओके, सो हाफ म्हणजे 18,000 18,000 आणि क्रेडिट ठेवलेलं आहे 18,000चं. तुम्हाला कळतंय का बघा, हाफ पेमेंट मेड म्हटलंय म्हणजे आपण अर्धे पैसे लगेच दिलेत आणि अर्ध्या पैशांची उधारी ठेवलेली आहे. सो जे इमिजिएट पेमेंट केलेलं आहे दॅट इज कॅश पेमेंट, या इमिजिएट पेमेंट वरच आपल्याला कॅश डिस्काउंट मिळणार आहे 5%. ओके, बिकॉज कॅश डिस्काउंट इज अलाउड ओनली ऑन कॅश पेमेंट if it is made immediately or earlier. So Rekha is allowing us 5% cash discount on rupees 18,000. So less 5% cash discount. 5% of 18,000, 10% will be 1,800. So 5% will be 900. And the amount will be 17,100. Okay, and the credit transaction will be of rupees 18,000. Cash transaction will be of 17,100. Let me explain the entries here. तुम्हाला अर्थ कळलाय का बघा. 40,000 रुपीजचे गुड्स रेखाकडनं परचेस केलेले आहेत. 10% ट्रेड डिस्काउंट वजा करून 36,000 आलेला आहे. हाफ पेमेंट मेड इन कॅश असं सांगितलंय, म्हणजे आपण अर्धे पैसे रेखाला लगेच दिलेले आहेत गुड्स परचेस केल्याबद्दल. सो अर्धे म्हणजे 18,000 लगेच दिलेत, म्हणून 18,000 लगेच देणार आहोत, म्हणून 18,000वर कॅश डिस्काउंट मिळालाय. मीन्स वी हॅव टू पे ₹17,100 immediately to her. She has allowed us 900 rupees discount for this immediate payment. Okay, and this is credit transaction. 18,000ची उधारी ठेवलेली आहे, त्या पद्धतीने एंट्री होणार आहे. पहिल्यांदा मी तुम्हाला कॅश ट्रान्झॅक्शनची एंट्री दाखवते, त्यानंतर क्रेडिट ट्रान्झॅक्शनची एंट्री दाखवते आणि त्यानंतर आपण त्याची कंबाइंड एंट्री कशी करू शकतो तेही दाखवते. बघा, पहिल्यांदा कॅश ट्रान्झॅक्शन. 3 अकाउंट्स असतील. कॅश अकाउंट, डिस्काउंट अकाउंट आणि परचेसेस अकाउंट, बिकॉज वी आर परचेसिंग गुड्स अँड दिस इज अ कॅश ट्रान्झॅक्शन. सो रेखाचं नाव या ठिकाणी येणार नाही. कॅश इज रियल अकाउंट. Discount and purchases are nominal account. Cash goes out from the business, so credit what goes out. Purchases, we are purchasing goods, so it is our expenses, debit all expenses and losses. Discount, आपण गुड्स परचेस करताना आपण पैसे कमी देणार आहोत, सो दिस डिस्काउंट इज अवर गेन. अँड रूल सेज दॅट क्रेडिट ऑल गेन्स अँड इन्कम्स. ओके, त्यामुळे जर्नल एंट्री मी इथे तुम्हाला करून दाखवते. एंट्री कशी होणार बघा. परचेसेस अकाउंट डेबिट, purchases account debit, we are purchasing goods worth rupees 18,000, so 18,000. To cash account, cash is going out 17,100. To discount account, that 900 rupees discount. अशी एंट्री होणार आहे कॅश ट्रान्झॅक्शनची. ओके, आता क्रेडिट ट्रान्झॅक्शनची एंट्री कशी होणार आहे बघा. 18,000चं क्रेडिट ट्रान्झॅक्शन आहे. 2 अकाउंट्स विल बी इन्व्हॉल्व्ड. परचेसेस अकाउंट अँड रेखाज अकाउंट. क्रेडिट ट्रान्झॅक्शन असल्यामुळे पार्टीचं नाव लिहायला पाहिजे. परचेसेस नॉमिनल अकाउंट, एक्सपेन्सेस, डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेन्सेस अँड लॉसेस. रेखाज अकाउंट इज पर्सनल अकाउंट. Rule says that debit the receiver, credit the giver. We are purchasing goods from Rekha, means Rekha is the giver. So rule says that credit the giver. Okay. Now the amount is 18,000. So journal entry कशी असणार आहे बघा. Purchases account debit, 18,000 to Rekha's account, 18,000. ओके, ही क्रेडिट ट्रान्झॅक्शनची एंट्री आहे आणि ही कॅश ट्रान्झॅक्शनची एंट्री आहे. ओके, या दोन्ही एंट्रीज मिळून आपण कंबाइंड एंट्री सुद्धा करू शकतो बघा. ही एंट्री आणि ही एंट्री यांना एकत्र केलं की कंबाइंड एंट्री होईल. परचेसेस अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड बाय 18,000 and here purchases account is debited by 18,000. So here in combined entry, purchases account debit 36,000. Okay, now all these accounts will be credited to cash account 17,100, to discount account 900 and to Rekha's account rupees 18,000. बघा, या क्रेडिटची टोटल डेबिट एवढी होते. अशा तऱ्हेने कॅश ट्रान्झॅक्शन आणि क्रेडिट ट्रान्झॅक्शन याचे एकत्र करून तुम्ही कंबाइंड एंट्री सुद्धा पास करू शकता. ओके, दिस इज अ लिटिल बिट डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टँड, बट वी विल सॉल्व मोर ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स in next lecture. Okay, that's all for today.